Hi there, so today we're going to be beading this shoe. Yes, I said just in case you might be having this issue with your Easter shoe. So let me show you how you get the beading done. A client gave me this to fix for her. I've already done this one. So let me show you how I do this. So this is how it is right now, and this is the fishing net fishing thread I'll be using, fishing line. It's 100, that's the measurement. Those are the stones I'll be putting in, and what you do is, first of all, the ones that are hanging, you drag the thread like so, the fishing line rather, because it's fishing line that was used, and you tie them. So that's what I'm going to do in both the left and the right side. You can see you have some whatever there, and you chop off the excess as so. Once you're done, you use your uhu gum and you're going to glue it like so. Do you understand? To keep them intact and not to loosen. So now let's sew our bead. So you're going to take a layer. You're not taking your needle down, just a bit. A layer of the shoe is what you're going to take up, and wherever you're going to put the bead, you're going to point your needle towards that direction and take the bead in. Just watch carefully, you would see how I'm going to sew it. And whenever you're sewing, you're going to make sure that you sew it tight. Keep taking it through the hole and back again. So keep watching and learning. Okay, so now I'm ready for the bead that will face the other direction. See how I'm taking my needle? It's facing the other direction where the bead is going to be. So I do it like so. Drag the fishing line, and then I will put the bead inside. So follow the same process. Now we're on to place the other bead, and this is the direction now following for the small bead that is put in the middle there. So that's the way you get your shoe. If your Easter shoe is beaded and has this issue, or you want to bead your shoe this way, yeah, you already know how to do that. So this is how the shoe turned out. Well beaded, isn't it? If you liked what I did, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of this and you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, we have other things, fascinators, handbands, so many other things you get to see. Please do click the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when I put up new videos. And before you get up, check out this next video on another shoe revamp.